Assalamualaikum. My name is Shifa binti Muhammad. Matrix number 60DE24F1026. Today we want to present how to calibrate oscilloscope. Step first, switch on the digital oscilloscope. This is a BNC connector and hook tip. Connect oscilloscope probe to input BNC socket. Put the probe to the input. Put crocodile clip to the ground and hook tip to the probe comb. Step 3. Press auto set button to get the result. And then press measure button, press H1, then press F3 for show all the output waveform will appear on oscilloscope screen. Lastly, press the menu off button and remove the probe.
My name is Raja Nursyamtina Natasha and number matrix 16DE24F1032. This is function generator. Okay, first switch on the button function generator. Then this is BNC cable. Pencil connect to CH1 function generator and connect to the CH1 oscilloscope. Okay, press the button CH1. We set frequency 20 kHz and 2 BPP. Now we press auto set button to show the result. Press measure button, press H1 button and press F3 button. Okay, the result show on the screen. Okay, press the menu off button. That's all from us. Okay, thank you.